For stubborn mineral deposits that resist initial scraping, you need a targeted soak and mechanical follow-up to dissolve and dislodge the buildup. Start by isolating the area and removing any loose debris with a plastic scraper to avoid scratching surfaces. Prepare a soak using white vinegar or a commercial limescale remover following the product label, and apply it to the rim and affected crevices with enough saturation that the solution can penetrate. For toilets and tight overflows, pack saturated paper towels or clean rags into the gaps so the acid stays in contact overnight. While the solution works, check the overflow tube and traps for blockage by running water and inspecting with a flashlight. If you find organic residue, flush a diluted bleach solution through the overflow to sanitize and loosen biofilm, but never mix bleach directly with acid products and always rinse thoroughly after. Next morning, remove the soaked cloths and use a stiff nylon brush or plastic scraper to rework the softened deposits, applying more solution to stubborn spots and letting it sit for a shorter second cycle if needed. For very heavy, tenacious deposits, use a pumice stone specifically rated safe for the surface and keep it wet while working in small circular motions so you remove mineral without gouging the substrate. Finish by rinsing the area completely with clean water and running multiple flushes to clear residues. Then dry and inspect. If any staining persists, repeat the soak cycle or consider a professional-grade acid treatment applied by a pro. Common mistakes include using metal tools that scratch and create pits where deposits return quickly. So always use plastic scrapers, nylon brushes, or surface-safe pumice to avoid scoring. Another error is mixing chemicals like bleach and acid, which produces dangerous fumes, so always use one chemical at a time. Flush and ventilate between treatments and follow label instructions. A third problem is neglecting hidden pathways such as the overflow tube, where buildup hides. Inspect and flush the overflow with water and, if necessary, a diluted bleach rinse to remove organic matter, then repeat the acid soak on visible mineral areas. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and for contractors to find work that fits their skills. Our site also hosts an active discussion community where we all share tips, troubleshooting steps, and real-world experiences related to projects like deep cleaning hard water effects.